Welcome to Botero Media's studio. My name is Carlos Botero, co-founder of Botero Media, an e-com agency focused on Shopify. In today's video, we're gonna do our studio tour with my brother, the content director, Christian Botero.
We're gonna start on our main area where we do most of our shootings. Okay, we're gonna start with our lighting. We have this continuous lighting. We have two here and two others on the back. This one, for example, is an Aperture 300X. Bicolor, has great temperature, great power in light. You can create effects and different things that helps a lot when making videos. Now we're gonna move on to our flashes. We have different flashes. We have this one right now. This is the Godox SK400. Really good. The speed is not that fast, but it's a great flash. We have most of our pictures are taken with this flash. We have others, but they are small and for more portable and shoot and gun type of shootings. We also have these two small lights. They are RGB, great for small products, great for small places. Now let's move on. Now we move on to our ring lights, really good for UGC content and beauty content. We have round soft boxes, straight rectangular soft boxes, and the squared ones as well. For the audio, we have different types of mics, like this Wireless Go, this Rode Pro, the pod mic, and this handy recorder. In Botero Media, we do a lot of hybrid type of shooting. That means that we do video and photo at the same time. So we chose Sony cameras. This one is the Sony a7 IV, just like the one we are shooting this video with. And we also create a lot of UGC content and organic content. So we have iPhones, iPhone 14 and iPhone 15. I think this one is 14 and this one is 15. For medium or small products, we use these backgrounds. They are B-flats. We have, for example, this one that is pavement, has two textures. We have marble and we have wood. When we are shooting people or big products, we use these paper backdrops. This one is the white one because we were shooting some e-commerce. We have color ones on the back, but yeah, those are the backgrounds we use here in the studio in Botero Media. Most of our shootings are made here in the main area. We do things like e-commerce photos and videos. We do product videos, UGC content, brand videos. We do products like every type of clothing. We do accessories, health products, and skincare. Let's move to our next area. This is our chill and lounge area. In this area, we do also shoot some UGC content, but it's mainly made for chilling and lounging. When clients come, they can relax, or if the model is taking a break, they can take a break here. We have a large TV, a Nintendo Switch if we want to have fun, and yeah, this space is our chill and lounge area. We also, before I forget, in every single space we have a blackout in order to control light. This is very important because we don't want to have spill lighting everywhere. In this area, we also have a Bose sound system. We have RGB lighting behind our couches. This helps us to create different ambiances in the room. And the final space of the second area is this booth for UGC content or just sitting down. And the final space is our kitchen. We have two main background areas, one that looks more like a kitchen, and the second one is our green wall. In this area, we shoot things like kitchen appliances, food, drinks, health supplements, fitness supplements, and cooking tutorials. Everything wouldn't be possible if we didn't have Onyx. He's our general manager, supervisor, his pest control, also our security guy. He will check everyone. This is the end of our 2024 studio tour. If you want to make content with Botero Media, don't forget to contact us.